Transform your home garden with or die patio furniture ideas. Welcome to our garden. Okay, so don't forget like, share, subscribe for more gardening tips. Today we are diving into a world of patio furniture where creative meets functionality to elevate your outdoor space. Whether you have a sparkling backyard or cozy patio, there's nothing quite like handmade furniture to add character and charm to your outdoor needs. One of the hottest trends in dry patio furniture is repurposing wood pellets. These versatile and budget-friendly materials can be transformed into a range of furniture pieces from rustic outdoor sofas to chic coffee tables. We will show you how to source pellets, dismantle them safely, and assemble them into stylish and comfortable seating options for your garden. Create a visual and enhancing atmosphere in your garden with a die hanging swing chair, perfect for lazy afternoons spent reading or enjoying a cup of tea. A hang swing chair adds a touch of charm to any outdoor space. We shall demonstrate how to construct a sturdy frame and weave a comfortable seat using weather resistant materials such as a roof or canvas. With a little creative and spirit, don't forget like, share, subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for joining us on this garden working journey, and happy gardening, happy crafting. Thanks for watching.